We are in GMetrix PowerPoint Multi-Project 3, and we're in Project 6 called Mobile Apps. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and add the white transition between slides 1 and 2. So we'll go ahead and select slide 2. We'll go to the Transitions tab, and we're going to select white. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and go to slide 3, and what we want to do is apply the appear animation to this list, and it wants those to appear individually when clicked. So what we want to do is I'm just going to click the outside box here, so it's a solid line, and then from there we'll go to the Animations tab, and then we're going to click Appear. And notice it says 1, 2, 3, 4. If they all said 1, do it again. But if you have the 1, 2, 3, 4, then you went ahead and applied that individually. And it's set to on click, so we'll click Mark Completed. We want to go to slide 2, and we're going to change the transition timing duration to 1 second. So we'll click Transitions, and mine's already set for that. If yours says something different, just make sure you go up or down on that until you get 1. We'll click Mark Completed. And then on slide 4, it says that we need to configure the transition between the two to 5 seconds if the mouse isn't clicked. So right now you don't have anything here. What we want to do is select, click the up arrow here until it says 5, and notice that checked. Once you're done with that, you can click Mark Completed.